Hello guys, welcome to Gemitech. In today's video, I will show you how to traverse a doubly linked list, right? And it is very simple, just you can learn it. I will explain through an example, right? Here we got an example. Okay, just here we have to go down and simply declare the struct word and here node. And simply I said that we have one data type, right? One data variable in which I want to store data, and here we have to declare nodes first as a pointer, right? And I said that it is next, and so one per previous node, and here I said that preview, and that's all. Just it is done. Okay, now we have to do on man, and the function we have to do declare the function is here, right? But just I want to do first work on man. In the man I want to do some work on man. Here in main, I would like to say that just first of all, we need to initialize and declare the variables pointer, right? Something like node. They had one, they had and tail simply. And here the another one is tail. I say that tail, okay. And here there's two methods you can use, but here I'm using the another method, right? This one is simple. Just one create the new uh, one more pointer for new for new insertion, right? I say that and okay, here it's done. Now we just want to give data to n, right? And here first we need to create new node for it, and here simply, and here I want to give value to it, simply just data, give value to it are 2, okay. I give value to it, and here I need to I say that the previous node is empty or null. I can say that to previous it is it is null, there's nothing. And here I say that in the height there is n, I mean first element, the first data, and also in tail I said that there is n as well, because look here you can see sorry, where's the image? Here, look, here it is the head and it is also the tail. There's there's nothing in the in the previous, there's nothing, and here the tail and the head there's ain. I mean the first element, right? Okay, so we have to create a new node for it. Okay, it's done. Here I want to give value to it. Simply you can do it. I want to give value 3, and here the next pointer, I mean the previous pointer now consists of there's tail, right? In this there's tail because look here. Here in this b, when I give value to it 3, so it consists of tail, the tail consists of a. I will give an example. Here look, b in b, just this is the next one, right? And before this there is the tail and it is a, simply we say that. And here the tail consists of the first element, right? And here simply we go there. I say that the tail is pointing to the next, and there is and right. Simply we want to insert one more, right? And here I say that tail equal to n simply. And here so I would like to copy and paste it for more insertion, give it a beautiful format and give the value another 4. I said that 4, and it is totally same. You can do it to say that this one is the next, and I say that 5, right? And here I say that tail is pointing to next is definitely null. I will say that here, look the example. Here it is the fourth one, right? And here after this there is nothing, so the tail is pointing to nothing. It is done. Here, so it is done. Now we have to create a function. Here I would like to for printing, right? Display simply. I say that display simply. And here I have to create a node. Simply I say that head, and in this, inside this we need to have a temporary variable for printing that, right? And I assign here to it. And here I have to run a loop, simple one. Don't worry, man, it is simple. Just not equal to null. If the temp is not equal to null, so there must be something in the temp. Okay, here, so I want to print data. The data is something, temp, uh, simply data, and I want to give a beautiful formatted it, small space. Here I want to update it. I want to update the temp variable, right? Temp pointing to next, simple. Okay, and here just for the reverse, I can do it for reverse as well. So simply just co less than and L for next line, and I want to do it for, sorry, we want to give print forward. I mean print forward, and here I would like to copy and paste for something for reverse, or you can say back. So here we put in the above we paused, here we paused had, and here in the reverse function I would like to call tail. We have to call these two function print if, I said a print if, and this we have hide simply, and print reverse. We have to call them definitely. Okay, it is done. It is done. So let me check for error. If there's any error, it will definitely point it out. But I think there is no error. Let me check it. Yeah, we got it. Sorry, with that tell, we must say that it consists of tell. Okay. Oh, just we got an error right here. We have to say the previous one. Did we declare the previous one? Yeah, here, there it is. Okay, so let's check it out now. Simply look here. You can say that what 2 3 4 5 and 5 4 2 5 3 2. That's simple, man. Okay, now we have to do a runtime now, right? Everything is same, right? We don't have to do anything there, but just here I have to do something for, to do it with through runtime. I want to give value some value to it, to the link doubly linked list through runtime, right? So here we have to remove this thing, and simply I can say uh, say that node first, simple, initialize it, and here I say that simple, create a new node. I mean the first equal to new node. Okay, and do it for a second as okay. So here we have to remove this thing one by one. Okay, remove this thing, and we want to give value to, just first of all we have to print a message, give value to it. Simply say that cin greater, and that's done, and next to null, and this one to first, and this one to first. Simple, it is done. Because whenever, oh okay, sorry, first we must say that that is the, okay, the previous, the first one, you know the first one. Okay, the in we data to first. Okay, and first previous is null before the first, before the, and here in the head we have first element. Look, this is in the first we have head, in the first head we have first value, and the tail we have first value, right? So done. Okay, now for some, for the other we have to do this thing simply, just look here, simply cin greater, we want to give value to not in, right now into second, and here in the second we have a value, right, that this first is previous, simply first is previous, and it consists of tel, right, and so on. Next it is second, it is second, and it is second. I said that second, and here we have a third one. Here we give value to it, cin greater, and here we have the third element, we give value to it, and here the third one, the second one, right, the second the second one the second one consists of tel, and here the tel pointing to next. and here the tail pointing to next, and next is third. Okay, and it is third. And also it say that tail is pointing to next is null. Okay, it is done. And here we have to call the function here, right? Just I want to print the forward one. Yeah, right. You can check the other one, right? But just I want to do the first one, printf, the forward one. Okay, here I want to do printf, simply you can see add, put it, and so let me check it out. If there's any error, it will definitely point it out. Here we go. Want to give value to it, simply 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3 as printed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Jamie Take. And also, if it has helped to you, and just give a share to it